In this video, we're going to be testing the NITECORE EC23 High Performance, High Lumen Everyday Carry Light. Before we begin, if you like high-end flashlights and outdoor related equipment, or if you enjoy trivia shorts or funny meme shorts, please consider subscribing to Not Normal Behavior. There are a lot of hilarious shorts in the Shorts tab, and we continue to test and review high-end lights and knives and outdoor related equipment. If you enjoy any of those things, I don't think you'll be disappointed if you subscribe to Not Normal Behavior. As always, I buy all my lights with my own money. I only use discounts that are readily available to everyone, and this light from NITECORE normally lists for $54.95. In this case, I found a sale at the NITECORE store online, and I paid $44.95 for this light. I should also note that my light did not come with a battery. And this light from NITECORE came with a fold-out manual, which I will never read, a couple of spare O-rings, as well as a NITECORE branded lanyard. As always, I yanked the devil out of the lanyard, and in true NITECORE fashion, the quality was excellent. The lanyard held up with zero damage. Most lanyards do not survive this test, although Phoenix, Olight, Emerald, and NITECORE usually do. This high-performance everyday carry light from NITECORE is constructed from aero-grade aluminum alloy with an HA3 military-grade hard anodized finish, according to NITECORE. The housing has a diamond knurled pattern, which makes it very easy to grip and gives it a nice overall look. The light is just barely under 5 inches long and about the diameter of a quarter, or very near to 1 inch in diameter, and yes, this light will tail stand. NITECORE states the weight of this light is 3.1 ounces, but that is clearly without a battery. On my scale, the light is 4.2 ounces with an 18650 battery installed, so unless you're intending to use this light for a paperweight, count on carrying 4.2 ounces of weight for this light. The EC23 is an 1800 lumen everyday carry light. It utilizes a Cree XHP35 HDE2 LED, and it operates on one 18650 battery or two CR123s. On the lowest setting, the light can last for 330 hours according to NITECORE. The light is operated by a single side switch button. It has 5 levels of brightness and 3 modes. This light has a candela rating of 16,200 and a maximum throw of 255 meters or about 835 feet. It has an IPX8 rating, so no dust rating, but a fantastic submersible water rating. As you will see in the outdoor testing here, this is a very floody light, and that's what I prefer. I prefer floody lights over dedicated throwers. This light is excellent at lighting up large swaths of darkness. It's very bright. I will say it'll light up an area up to around, say, 400 feet with very obvious and usable light. Beyond that, I have found it to dim very quickly. I would like to see a two-way clip and a magnetic body, and of course I prefer a dual tail switch design, but this light is still a great quality light from NITECORE, and it's more budget friendly than some of the more feature-rich offerings from NITECORE. Overall, I'd say this is a very nice light from NITECORE, and I think it's worth about what I paid for it, about $45. And this is the part where I beg you to like and subscribe. Either way, hope to see you on the next one. Cheers.